impossible. Wow, what a race there. Of course, congrats to Marcel. Great racing today. I beat him in the second. But no, that was I was a little of a nerve wrack at the end there. Of course, the whole day I was just trying to think about the race, but it's nearly impossible. Everybody's like, yeah, blah, 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 and everything like that. And I really had to work with myself. Really had to work hard on myself and just focus on skiing it, because without that I wouldn't be here. Wouldn't even be close to being here. So yeah, even though I didn't win today, it's pretty unbelievable.
I know you're not racing yet in the speed discipline, but now Sydney is coming and you're really good GS here, you can say that. So you have theoretically chance for the big blow, theoretically I say. So